How to track your child's iPhone location. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account that displays your name. From this page, find and tap on the Find My option. The Find My feature helps you locate your Apple devices and keep track of friends and family. Keep the toggle switch for Share My Location on. Under the Friends section, you will see a list of people you are currently sharing your location with. Select the person you want to stop sharing your location with. On their contact page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Stop Sharing My Location. You will now no longer be sharing your location with that person. Following these steps, you can easily stop sharing your location on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.